I'm going to give an overview now of a very interesting training course we're running here at freetv.ie called the PC Building course. So we run this every so often, and the primary purpose of this is we want to look at three key elements within it. So the first thing is to look at the parts that make up a PC. So to give a full overview of exactly all the key components that are within a PC. Then we want to move on to how to actually install an operating system onto a PC. So in this case, we'll be doing an example of how to install Windows from beginning to end, but it'd be more or less the same procedure for other operating systems as well. And then the final thing is we want to cover the whole thing of just extra pieces of hardware we'd like to be adding on, how we'd install those, and also diagnose problems in relation to the PC. So on the hardware end of it, we'll say, when we're really looking at that, we'll be looking at each of the component parts. So we'll be looking at the motherboard, looking at the power supply unit, we'll be looking at the RAM disks, how we'll add on peripheries such as printers, sound cards, all the rest of it. So very much the purpose of the course will be, we'll have a series of PCs where people will be able to work away. We'll be giving tutorial on it. It's a relatively small group of people. Normally when we run this course, it's in the max of 12 people who will be in the thing. And it's just a one-day course. So it's really aimed at people who want to know more about PCs. So, it's installed for people who have moderate to medium knowledge, or people maybe who just sort of have maybe somebody in their family who really wants to come along and do a course like this to bring their skill levels up. So we have an experienced software developer slash hardware guy who does a lot of repair work for us, all the rest of it. And he'll have very, very good experience both in the general thing, but also troubleshooting. And I think at the end of the course, people will have a lot of hands-on experience, and they'll have a lot of confidence in terms of being able to go with a PC. And if they wanted to upgrade RAM or go for a new hard drive, something like that, they'll know exactly how it all goes together and have the skill set to allow them to be able to physically add on that. So that's it anyway, an overview of the PC building course here at freetv.ie.